Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.
Hi, this is the unboxing and review of Square Golf Indoor Launch Monitor. This is an advanced golf tracker. This high-speed indoor golf launch monitor captures accurate ball speed, direction, angle, and spin rate. It is perfect for home golf simulator setups and provides detailed shot analysis for improving your game at home. It comes with a realistic home golf simulator. You may experience lifelike 3D courses with Home Golf Simulator package. This smart golf simulator offers beautifully modeled courses and realistic practice modes, making it one of the best golf simulators for home use. It is a comprehensive launch monitor. This portable golf launch monitor provides precise feedback on ball speed, direction, apex, and carry. It is compatible with Android, Apple, and Windows, so this golf monitor ensures accurate shot tracking and game improvement. It is a versatile golf simulator with game modes, with driving, putting, and game modes, including closest to pin. This golf simulator game offers comprehensive practice options. The virtual golf simulator is perfect for honing various aspects of your golf game. It is easy to set up and use. This golf launch monitor portable system is designed for quick and effortless setup. This launch monitor golf simulator is ideal for home practice, providing immediate feedback and enhancing your indoor golf experience. It comes with marked golf balls, a compact golf club with a wristband, the battery, a remote control, and the ball monitor. The software is great and comprehensive. You don't need to spend extra money to use the software, and it is also compatible with major PC simulator software. I bought this for two main reasons. It requires very little space versus Garmin R10 and the MLMP2, and it also does putting. Have hit maybe 300 balls with this recently, and played 18 holes, and it has worked flawlessly. I don't have another LM to compare accuracy to, but from my experience at the range it seems true to life, and it does short chips and short puts with no problem at all. Setup is basically plug and play after you have downloaded the app and updated the firmware, which was all very easy. They are also going to add more golf courses, and it is also compatible with some very popular PC simulators. I think this is incredible value. Very happy so far.
Ready? Ready? Ready?
Hope you like this video. Have a nice day.
Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day.